Everyone dreams of creating the next Apple, the next Tesla, or the next billion-dollar AI startup. But here's something most people never hear. Some of the wealthiest self-made millionaires didn't build glamorous companies. They built businesses so boring most people wouldn't even click on them. Dumpster rentals, self-storage, commercial cleaning, parking lots, businesses that rarely trend on social media, yet quietly generate hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars every year. So why do these boring businesses fail far less often than flashy startups? And which one could realistically become your first million-dollar business? Stay until the end, because the final business might be the safest wealth-building opportunity almost nobody talks about. We live in a world obsessed with exciting ideas. Everyone wants to invent the next revolutionary app. Everyone wants to become an influencer. Everyone wants overnight success. But statistics tell a very different story. Many venture-backed startups fail within a few years because they're trying to create demand that doesn't already exist. Meanwhile, thousands of ordinary businesses survive decade after decade because people need them regardless of the economy. Think about it. People always produce trash. Buildings always need cleaning. Cars always need parking. Packages always need storage. These aren't trends, they're necessities. Today we're counting down 10 businesses that may never make headlines, but have built incredible wealth for ordinary entrepreneurs. Some require surprisingly little experience. Others can even be started while keeping your full-time job. Let's begin. Commercial cleaning. Imagine walking into a spotless office every Monday morning. Someone cleaned every desk, vacuumed every carpet, sanitized every bathroom. Most people never think about who did it. That's exactly why commercial cleaning is so powerful. Office buildings, banks, schools, hospitals, warehouses, every one of them needs regular cleaning. And unlike residential clients, businesses usually sign recurring contracts. That means predictable monthly income. One satisfied customer can pay for years. The best part? This business doesn't depend on economic booms. Even during difficult times, companies still need clean workplaces. Many successful owners never touch a mop themselves. They simply hire reliable teams and manage operations. Not glamorous, but incredibly dependable. And we are only getting started. 2. Self-storage facilities. Here's a strange fact. The more stuff people own, the more storage they need. Families move, students relocate, businesses expand, couples downsize, people inherit furniture they can't throw away. Instead, they rent storage units month after month, sometimes for years. Self-storage businesses have relatively low operating costs once established. Customers often access their units without constant staff supervision. Technology now handles payments, security, and gate access automatically. In many cases, owners earn income while sleeping. That's why many investors consider self-storage one of the quiet giants of real estate. But our next business doesn't even require owning property. 3. Laundromats. If you've ever used a laundromat, you've already helped make someone richer. People will always need clean clothes. Students, apartment residents, travelers, workers, hotels, restaurants, healthcare workers. Laundry isn't optional. Modern laundromats have become far more sophisticated than people imagine. Cashless payments, security cameras, mobile apps, automated equipment. Many operate with minimal daily supervision. Some owners expand from one location to 5 to 10, creating consistent cash flow. It isn't glamorous, but neither is collecting steady income every week. Now here's the interesting part. The next business isn't about washing clothes. It's about something people desperately avoid until they absolutely need it. 4. Waste management and dumpster rentals. Construction never stops. Homes get renovated. Offices relocate. Storms damage buildings. Old furniture gets thrown away. Someone has to remove the waste. Dumpster rental businesses charge customers to deliver a dumpster, then charge again to collect it. One dumpster can generate revenue repeatedly. Construction companies become repeat customers. Contractors recommend trusted providers. Demand stays remarkably consistent. It isn't the kind of business people brag about at parties, but many owners are quietly building 7-figure companies. Sometimes, the dirtiest businesses produce the cleanest profits. 5. Plumbing services. Imagine your bathroom flooding at 2 a.m. You don't open YouTube to learn plumbing, you call a plumber. Immediately. That's why skilled trades remain incredibly valuable. Pipes burst, drains clog, water heaters fail, and these problems don't wait for convenient times. Many plumbing businesses become family companies, serving communities for generations. Once customers trust you, they call you every time. Better yet, they recommend you. The same applies to electricians and HVAC companies. Essential services rarely go out of demand. 6. Parking lots. Here's a business hiding in plain sight. Parking. Every city has thousands of vehicles looking for somewhere to stop. Some investors own parking lots that require very little daily management. Digital payment systems, automatic barriers, security cameras, monthly subscriptions, daily fees, special event pricing. One small piece of land can generate income year after year. People often chase complicated investments, ignoring businesses they literally drive past every day. 7. Vending machines. Imagine earning money while someone buys a bottle of water at midnight, without speaking to a single employee. That's the power of vending machines, placed in hospitals, schools, factories, gyms, airports, office buildings. A good location can produce reliable cash flow. Successful owners don't stop at one machine. They build networks, 20, 50, 100 machines. Each becomes another tiny employee working 24 hours a day. Small income streams can become very large businesses. But here's where things get interesting. The next business doesn't sell products. It rents equipment people only need occasionally. 8. Equipment rental. Think about pressure washers, excavators, concrete mixers, generators, chainsaws. Most people don't want to buy expensive equipment they'll use once. They rent it. Construction companies, homeowners, event organizers, landscapers. Equipment rental businesses earn from the same asset over and over again. One purchase, hundreds of rentals. The key isn't selling equipment, it's maximizing how many times each machine earns money. That's a lesson every entrepreneur should remember. 9. Mobile car wash and fleet cleaning. Businesses with delivery vans, taxi companies, logistics firms, corporate vehicles need regular cleaning. Instead of waiting for customers, mobile cleaning businesses go directly to them. Recurring contracts create predictable revenue. As fleets grow, so does demand. Many owners eventually expand into detailing, ceramic coating, interior restoration, and premium services. A simple idea becomes multiple income streams. 10. Property management. Imagine owning 0 apartments, yet earning income from hundreds of them. That's property management. Landlords often don't want midnight maintenance calls, tenant complaints, rent collection, inspections, repairs. Property managers handle everything. As they manage more properties, revenue grows. Unlike flipping houses, property management creates recurring monthly income. And once systems are in place, growth becomes far easier. Which brings us to the biggest lesson of this entire video. Notice something? None of these businesses depend on becoming famous. None require millions of followers. None rely on going viral. Instead, they solve everyday problems. People always need clean buildings, storage, waste removal, repairs, parking, laundry, equipment, property management. The businesses people overlook today often become the businesses that quietly create tomorrow's millionaires. Because wealth isn't always built through excitement. Sometimes it's built through consistency. So here's today's question. If someone gave you enough money to start one of these businesses tomorrow, which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments. And if you learned something valuable today, hit like, subscribe to the Money Code, and turn on notifications. Because on this channel, we're uncovering the real strategies behind building wealth, not the flashy myths. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.